Again, children, we will read about the guarantee of profit. That is the last topic of this chapter. After that, we will do questions of exercise of this chapter. Guarantee of profit means a new partner may be admitted in the firm with minimum guaranteed profit from the business. The profit may be guaranteed to an existing partner or new partner. Okay? When a new partner take admission in your partnership, वो आपकी partnership business join करता है, then sometime some firm will give guarantee that minimum profit that you earn, that minimum profit, for example कि हम आपको 30,000 पर ईयर का प्रॉफिट देंगे ही देंगे, चाहे फर्म प्रॉफिट कमाए या ना कमाए, लॉस हो या ना हो. दैट गारंटी गिवन by also firm, by also one partner, by also two partner, by also all partners. So the guarantee given by the firm. When firm give the guarantee, then the firm earned profit. Then that profit firstly distributed in the profit sharing ratio among all partners with new partner. Then फिर we see that the new partner's profit is the equal to the guaranteed profit. If the partner's profit less than the guaranteed profit, then this will be the deficiency. Means अगर उसका जो प्रॉफिट शेयर आया है, वो शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट उसको जो हमने गारंटीड किया था उस प्रॉफिट से अगर कम है, दैन दिस विल बी द डेफिशिएंसी. द डिफरेंस ऑफ द एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट एंड द गारंटीड प्रॉफिट will call the deficiency, and this deficiency is borne by the all partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. This is the firm guarantee. Then sometimes when only one partner give guarantee, then if there are deficiency between the actual profit and guaranteed profit, then this will become bear by the only one partner capital account. Clear? Sometimes the guarantee by partner to the firm. कई बार many times the partner may give guarantee for a minimum earning, for a minimum profit to the firm. When partner become unable to earn a minimum profit which he will give the guarantee, then the deficiency shortfall is taking from his capital account to the firm. He will give the firm from his capital account, then his capital account is debited with the shortfall amount. Then that is the guarantee of profit. We will do the questions of based on guarantee. First, the question I will read. बहुत easy topic है ये. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Two partners, X and Y, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They decided to admit Z with 1/5 of the share in profits with the guaranteed amount of ₹50,000. उन्होंने Z को नया पार्टनर बनाया है जिसका शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट रहेगा 1/5, लेकिन गारंटीड अमाउंट यानी कि 50,000 का प्रॉफिट तो उसको देना है. They decided that the profit sharing ratio between X and Y will be not change. कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. The firm earned profits of ₹1,50,000 for the year. इतना prepare P&L appropriation account when guarantee is provided by firm, when guarantee is provided only by X, then we will prepare P&L adjustment, P&L appropriation account. Same account, particular amount, particular amount. then buy profit $1,50,000. Clear? Clear. Okay, the profit 1,50,000. Then 1,50,000 में we will give guarantee 50,000 to the Z. 50,000 to the Z. Then Z share we calculate the ratio. Okay, then Z's ratio is equal to 1/5. Then remaining, अगर Z का 1/5 है तो X और Y का कितना होगा? रिमेनिंग. रिमेनिंग इट मीन्स 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. Then X share Y share is equal to 4/5 का गिवन प्रॉफिट रेशियो 3:2, then 3/5 और 4/5 into 2/5, 12/25, 8/25. New profit sharing ratio. Then share X, Y and Z. X का 12/25, Y का 8/25, Z का 1/5. Equal 25, then it will also be 25. Is so multiplied by 5 on both sides. 1 into 5, 5 into 5, 12, 8 and 5. This is the new ratio. We will distribute profit in this ratio. Profit is equals to 1,50,000 X, Y and Z. 1,50,000 into 12/25. Y share 8/25 and Z's share 5/25. Clear? X का प्रॉफिट बन रहा है 72,000, Y 48 and Z का 6 5s 30,000 profit. Okay, Z का profit will become 30,000, but we have guaranteed that 50,000 minimum profit should be given to the Z, and Z's deficiency is equal to 50 minus 30, 20,000. Deficiency will be 20,000. If the guarantee is provided by the firm, then 20,000 should be borne by both partners X and Y in their old sharing ratio 3:2. So we come back our question. To X कैपिटल कितना प्रॉफिट आया था हमने जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था? 72,000 X का प्रॉफिट बनता है. देन 20,000 विल बी डेफिशिएंसी विल बी बोर्न बाय X एंड Y. 20,000 into 3/5 and 20,000 into 2/5. 12,000 and 8,000. It means 12,000 is borne by X and 8,000 is borne by Y. It means Y की deficiency, Z's deficiency is 20,000 profit, जो short profit है उसमें से 12,000 X देगा और 8,000 Y देगा. So X profit will become 72,000 less Z's share 12,000. So X का profit 60,000. Same Y's capital 48,000, which we calculate, then less Z's share 8,000, which we also calculate 8,000 deficiency. So Y की प्रॉफिट कितना रह गया 40 एंड Z's प्रॉफिट जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो वो आया था हमारा 30,000 20,000 लेस आया था. देन एड X एंड Y 12,000 8,000 टोटल 50,000. This is the completion of question. So this is the profit guarantee given by the firm. Okay, this calculate new profit sharing ratio is come in second chapter. Then we will study detail. So don't take tension about this. Then we will do this question by second method. Second method, it means when guarantee is provided only by X, only by one partner. Then how will become P&L adjustment account, P&L appropriation account. कैलकुलेशन ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है. बाय P&L account, net profit will be given in the question 1,50,000. So to X capital share of profit which we calculate due to new profit sharing ratio is equals to 72,000 less if guarantee given by only X, then shortfall of 20,000 is completely borne by X, less 20,000 and net profit given to X only 52,000 less Z's capital. Then to Y's capital 48,000 calculate, then we will give 48,000 because shortfall is adjusted through X's account. क्यों? क्योंकि X ने ही गारंटी दी थी. To Z's capital profit 30,000 add X guarantee 20 and profit will become 50 because we have guarantee 50,000 to give the Z. Complete, and this is the question by two condition. Okay, thank you. We will the next question in the next video. Okay, thank you.